Join me as I dive into the mystery of hair loss and take on the challenge of uncovering what's really causing it for so many of us. Hair loss is a topic that affects millions of people worldwide, and it's something that can be really frustrating and emotional to deal with. It's a common issue that can affect anyone, regardless of age or gender, and it's often a sign that something else is going on in our body. There are many factors that contribute to hair loss, and it's often a combination of things that can lead to this issue. Genetics can play a big role, with some people being more prone to hair loss due to their family history. Stress is another major contributor, as it can cause hair follicles to go dormant and stop producing hair. Our diet can also impact our hair health, with a lack of essential nutrients like iron and biotin leading to hair loss. And then there are hormonal changes, like those that occur during pregnancy or menopause, which can also affect hair growth. When it comes to genetics, if your parents or grandparents experienced hair loss, you may be more likely to experience it too. Stress can cause hair loss by disrupting the normal cycle of hair growth, leading to a condition called telogen effluvium. A diet that's lacking in essential nutrients can also impact hair health, leading to brittle or thinning hair. And hormonal changes can cause hair loss by affecting the hair growth cycle, leading to conditions like female pattern baldness. Autoimmune conditions like alopecia areata can also cause hair loss, and are often overlooked as a potential cause. Certain medications, like those used to treat depression or high blood pressure, can also lead to hair loss as a side effect. Traction alopecia is another condition that can cause hair loss, often due to tight hairstyles or excessive heat styling. And thyroid disorders can also impact hair growth, leading to hair loss or thinning. So, if you are experiencing hair loss, you're not alone. There are many potential causes, and it's often a combination of factors that can lead to this issue. But by understanding what's causing your hair loss, you can start to take steps to address it. If you've experienced hair loss, I'd love to hear about it. Comment below with your story or any questions you have. And if you are looking for more tips on how to care for your hair, be sure to check out my related videos on hair care tips.